confidence, crushing your goals. But you put your happiness on hold. Still waiting to start living. You need to know you're beautiful. You're perfect just like you are. Release your control, start to let go. Take a night off and let yourself go a little crazy. Crazy, crazy. Release your control.
Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. As you can see, we are back to the super chill setup with another super chill unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy F62. Now this phone made a lot of noise in the tech community and a lot of YouTubers out there praised this phone because of its processor. We are going to find the real truth of this phone by unboxing it, using it, and let's see how it goes. So this is the super chill unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy F62. Let's begin. Alright, so the box itself is pretty minimalistic. There is not much written on the box and I kind of like that. Let's go ahead and open it up. I've got my tester over here. Tester OP in the chat, guys. Tester OP. Alright, right off the bat we have the phone itself. So yeah, this is the phone. I am going to keep it aside for a moment. Apart from that, inside the box there is a standard USB-A to USB Type-C cable. Hey, just a quick correction there. That is a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable and not a USB Type-A to Type-C cable. So it's a Type-C to Type-C cable. And then we also have a charger. Now let's see the rating on this charger. It's a little difficult to get out. Now Samsung is calling this a fast charger, but this is not a fast charger. It's a standard charger because of the huge battery. So the battery inside this phone is a 7000 mAh battery, and that's why this is a normal charger. Now one part that I forgot to remove is right here inside over here. It's stuck over here. I'm just going to try to remove this. How do I remove this? Oh, got it. So inside this sleeve there is a SIM card ejector tool and some paperwork. Now one thing to note over here is that there is no case inside the box. There is just some paperwork and no case and the SIM card ejector tool. So no case is a bummer because this phone comes for around 24,000 rupees and they should have given a case inside the box. So all your favorite Hindi YouTubers out there have not told you that there is no case inside the box. Anyway, so those are the box contents. I'm going to just keep them aside and let's get back to the phone itself. Now I've ordered this in this grey color over here because this was the best color out of the lot that I liked. I did not like the blue one, neither did I like the green one. So let me quickly go ahead and remove that plastic. Let's switch off the background music and it's time to remove that plastic. Here we go. Next up is the IMEI sticker and it goes right on the box over here. There we go. So this is the Samsung Galaxy F62 and it's looking pretty good right now. So it has a plastic back panel. It's not a glass back panel, but it is this shiny plastic with the lines over here. And I do like it. I thought that I would not like it, but it's pretty good. And one thing that I'm instantly noticing is the weight of the phone. It's not a lot. Despite of having a 7000 mAh battery, the weight does not feel that much, and that is a good thing. Now let me quickly go ahead and boot up this phone. Alright, here we go. Now one thing that I love about Samsung phones is the display. So this phone comes with a full HD plus Amoled display, and Samsung is one of the best out there when it comes to displays. So no complaints with the display of this phone. I'm pretty sure it's going to be amazing. Alright, time to set up the fingerprint sensor. Done. That was pretty quick actually. That's what she said. I'm sorry. Alright, so the setup has been done and that was one of the quickest setups that I've ever had. It was way different from a Xiaomi or Realme phone and that is very good. Now this phone does come with a lot of bloatware that is pre-installed apps. So we give a hard time to Xiaomi for bloatware, but this phone is no exception. It comes with bloatware that is pre-installed Microsoft apps, then some games, PhonePe, Daily Hunt, Snapchat, and all those things. But a good thing over here is that you can remove these apps, like you can just uninstall them, and that is a good thing. Now let me quickly go into the settings and check the Android version. I already know it, but I still want to check it. So let's go to about phone, software information and Android version. As you can see right out of the box, it comes with Android 11, and that is an excellent thing. So kudos to Samsung over here for giving the latest software in this phone, and Xiaomi and Realme should learn from Samsung. Giving the latest software is very important, and Samsung is doing a very good job at it. So well done to the Samsung team. Now let's go ahead and talk about what lies under the hood. So this phone comes with the Exynos 9825 processor. This is supposed to be a flagship processor which was used in Samsung Galaxy Note 10 series. Apart from that, it has a couple of options: 6GB of RAM or 8GB of RAM with 128GB of internal storage. Lastly, it has a 7000 mAh battery, which I'm pretty sure will give you excellent battery life. Now, one great thing with this phone is that it comes with a headphone jack. Headphone jack is very important at this price point, and Samsung has not cut it off. Alright, now it's time to talk about them cameras. So as you can see on the rear side, there is a quad camera setup. There's a 64 megapixel primary camera, a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, a 5 megapixel macro camera, and a 5 megapixel depth sensor. So I'm quickly going to go ahead and test the cameras over here. I'm only interested in the main and the ultra wide angle camera because the other two cameras are just a gimmick and kind of useless. So let's quickly go ahead and snap a quick picture over here of the plant. Okay, one of the setup over here, maybe one of the box itself. And now let's review them. So my initial impressions are that the cameras do seem promising, like the photos are really good and detailed as well. I am very excited to test these cameras in detail and make my full camera review, and that's exactly what I'm going to do in the next coming days. So please make sure that you have subscribed to the channel because you don't want to miss those videos. I'm quickly going to take a selfie as well because that is very important. Alright, the selfie camera also looks promising. So yes, again, I am very excited to test out them cameras and make my full camera review and potentially even find Gcam for this phone. So let's see how that goes. Now, as far as my first impressions go, I am impressed by this phone. It comes with the Exynos 9805, a 7000 mAh battery, that AMOLED display, and some decent cameras as well. Like, I will test out the cameras and then give my final verdict. But yeah, as far as my first impressions go, I am impressed with the F62, and let's see how it goes. So anyway, this was a very quick unboxing and first impressions video of the Samsung Galaxy F62. Do let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section down below. If you like this content, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.